Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make protein powder for weight gain at home. Start by selecting a high-calorie base like milk powder, oats, whey, or nut butters. Add healthy fats such as coconut oil or flaxseed for extra calories, and include a carbohydrate like maltodextrin or oats for energy. Mix in flavorings and blend to a fine, dry powder before storing in an airtight container. Choose ingredients that match your taste and calorie needs. Whey concentrate gives a high protein punch, while oats and maltodextrin raise carb content for weight gain. For fats, use powdered peanut butter or MCT oil powder to keep texture dry and caloric density high. Sweeten naturally with stevia or cocoa and add a pinch of salt to enhance flavor. Always check for allergies and label homemade batches clearly for safety. Start with a base ratio like 2 parts carbohydrate to 1 part protein, then adjust by appetite and results over time. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered fat or oil powder per serving to increase calories without bulk. Blend each small test batch and taste, then tweak sweetener and salt. Sieve if needed, and record your exact formula so you can replicate successful batches consistently for steady weight gain progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.